My people, now good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening, great to come to time. Now welcome back to another video. If today now the first day you see my YouTube channel, you're highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, today video we are going to be making Nigerian moimoi. Yes, so beans cake. I will show you how to make yummy and delicious beans cake. So guys, this is now all my ingredients. I get one seasoning here, crayfish. This na fresh pepper, which is habanero pepper and red bell pepper. Okay, so guys, I still get this na onions already clean and wash, egg. So this na the beans, I don't wash them already. Okay, so this na fish, this na mackerel fish, I cook them, okay, with just only salt. Then I can't debone, I can't remove the bone. Okay, so this na groundnut oil. I will use groundnut oil, of course. So guys, this na all my ingredients. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So first make we grind our beans, then I come put my seasoning, then I come I don't blend and finish, then I can stir everything together. So guys, if you don't watch me up to this time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, then I can put my salt. This is my salt. I can put salt, then I can put groundnut oil, then I can stir everything together. So my people, our moi done ready. Yes, so let me test it for you guys, make a show now. So this is now the final look. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you don't watch me up to this time, I beg you don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See guys, this moimoi tastes so good, this moimoi tastes so yummy. Okay, so guys, let me know for the comment section what if you eat this moimoi with. But as for me and my family, we go to eat am with garri. Yes, so we go to eat am with garri. So let me know for the comment section what you like to eat your moimoi with. Okay, so I just the test am for now. Are you guys seeing it? This mama tastes so good. Yes, it tastes so yummy. So guys, I'll see you now again for my next one. Bye bye.